January 4th, 2021 on your own. Juan paid $2.52 for 12 ounces of peanuts. What is the unit price? So we're trying to figure out that unit price. Remember, money on top. So $2.52 for 12 ounces of peanuts. So I'm going to put that money on top. Woo, not the eraser. Ah, there we go. We get $2.52 for 12 ounces of peanuts. Now, all we're going to do, remember, is divide. That's literally it. $2.52 divided by 12. All we're going to do is divide. So $2.52 divided by 12. Now, when we're dividing with decimals, remember we gotta pop it up. So we're gonna pop that decimal up. Now, we don't want to write in yellow. There we go. Can 12 go into 2? No, it cannot. So it's gonna be 0. Can 12 go into 25? Well, yeah, it can go in 2 times. So I'm gonna put a 2 up here. 12 times 2 is 24. Now we subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down that 2. How many times can 12 go into 12? It can go in 1 time. 12 times 1 is 12. Subtract. You get 0. There's no remainder. So there's our answer. 0.21 or 21 cents or 21 hundredths. So it is going to be $0.21. So that's going to be per ounce of peanuts. So you can put per ounce of peanuts. So for 1 ounce of peanuts, it's going to be 21 cents. $0.21. And that is it. Woohoo! Great job.